Hello everyone, I am presenting my model of linear regression on diabetes diagnosis. A supervised form of machine learning is done by linear regression. Initially, I have imported NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib and matplotlib.pyplot in order to operate on vectorized data and to make graphs. After that, I've imported my dataset from sklearn libraries. It is a free dataset. And then the inbuilt functions of mean squared error, train test split, min-max scaler, and HTML from ipython.display in order to display my stuff. After that, I've loaded the dataset and described it. It tells us how we'll diagnose diabetes in the patient after 1 year after comparing these different attributes, which are age, sex, body mass index, average blood pressure, and serums 1 to 6. After that, I've used pandas in order to import all my attributes as columns. After which, I've imported the target column in a different data frame. I concatenated both of them in a single data frame. This is the display. Now, in order to visualize the diabetes data, I have used an inbuilt function which shows me the mean deviation, standard deviation, maximum value, and the different error values. After which, I found out the correlation between the target and attributes by using Pearson format, which shows that the diagnosis of diabetes depends mainly on BMI. After which, I've normalized the data in order to make sure that after the transformation, they remain in the same scale. After which, I've defined the error function, and then I have randomly put aside 20% of data to use it as a testing data set, and the other 80% would be used to train my model. Then I've defined the update function and the gradient descent function, after which I've initialized random points as M and C, and then I've plotted the first graph, which shows the diagnosis dependent on my independent variable, which is the BMI, body mass index. This shows me the iterations along with error percentage. As the graph starts going flat, as you can see, it shows that in the last iterations, the error is not reduced significantly. After which we have computed the mean squared error, and now we have found out the predicted values of BMI and seen how our target Y depends on it. You can see the actual and predicted values of X, which is nothing but the BMI. After which I've made the main graph, which shows me the plot, and it shows that the red line passes through the bulk of most of the blue points. Now I've transformed the data back into its original scale, and this is the final table which shows me the display. As you all can see, that the target and the predicted target are very close. Hence, I have successfully demonstrated my linear regression model.